my name is Vanessa and I'll be your storyteller for today. Along with the lovely Belle, please remember to remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, fingers, and elbows inside the boat at all times. Oh no, it looks like we're about to be swallowed by a monster. The same exact Belle who swallowed Pinocchio, but don't worry, Pinocchio lit a fire which made Monstro sneeze. It made him sneeze so hard he blew his tail right off and gave us our very own special entrance into Storybook Land.
¿Dónde se lo pone? Sorry, here the big one. Okay. Aquí en lo verde.
Coming up on your left-hand side is the cave of the big bad wolf, and right across in the middle of the canal are the three little pigs, one house made of straw, one house made of sticks, and one house made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. Beyond the bridge on your left is Alice English Village, where Alice followed the cobblestone walkway all the way down to the rabbit hole and fell all the way down, down, down inside her curious adventure into Wonderland. In the center of the canal on your right is London Park, where John, Michael, Wendy, Peter Pan, and a little help from Tinkerbell and her pixie dust flew right over into Neverland, where they never ever have to grow up. Straight ahead is the city of enchantment, Agrabah, where you'll see the Sultan's palace watching over the marketplace, not only where Aladdin stole the apple, but stole Jasmine's heart too. Now right above us are the rows covered ice cream where Aladdin and Jasmine took the very first magic cards right over and enter into a whole new world. Now please remember to remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, fingers, and elbows inside the boat, and don't touch anything because we're about to enter the Cave of Wonders, where Aladdin never found many treasures, but one more treasurable than all the others, the magic lamp. Coming up on your right-hand side is Snow White's cottage, and if you look into the woods, you'll see the jewel mine where the seven nerves work, and if you listen closely, you might hear them whistle while they work. On your left-hand side is Cinderella's chateau, where she lived with the wicked stepmother and two evil stepsisters, but don't worry, once she met her Prince Charming, they moved up to the pink and gold castle on top of the hill and lived happily ever after.
Pero eso no hay, ¿no? ¿Hay algo a ver? Oh, pero ya le dimos la vuelta. Qué bonito eso de las plantas de... Ay, mira aquí, mamá. Okay.
On your left-hand side is the ginormous but beautiful patchwork quilt made up of 23 different desert flowers, all taking care of the miniature eyes by the one and only Tinkerbell, so they only grow 1 inch per year. Beyond the bridge on your left at the bottom of the tree stump is the house of Mr. Modest Mole, and living right next door is his best friend, Mr. Toad at Toad Hall. But as you can see, they're not home right now. They're in Fantasyland taking a wild ride to nowhere in particular. Bordering the canal on your left are the three windmills. The old mill in the middle is best known for sheltering animals on a cold, stormy winter night. Straight ahead is Pinocchio's Alpine Village, and if you look next to the water on your right, you'll see Geppetto's wood carving shop where Pinocchio became a real live boy. Coming up on your right-hand side is Prince Eric's ship, where Ariel and Eric met for the very first time, and up on the hill is Prince Eric's castle, where Ariel took her first steps on land, and they now live happily ever after. Behind the waterfall on your left is King Shrine and Solace, and if you look closely, you might see Sebastian and Flounder.
Para subirle